Hello guys, today I'm going to plant these two trees. This is plum. This is plum, and the other one is plum as well, but it's a green gauge. This one says Victoria. This one is Victoria plum, and that one is green gauge. So let me open it, guys, and I will show you. Okay guys, so this is Domestica Victoria. So this is Victoria plum. I like the color of the label. So it can be planted sunny side or partly sunny, but not cloudy. Oh no. No. So that one doesn't grow well under the shade. So that is the picture. It looks so nice. This orange color, so beautiful. It looks so yummy. So this is in a 5-liter pot, and the other one is green gauge. So this one will grow a bit bigger, but I will control the height so it doesn't grow taller, so it will be easily harvest the fruit. So I like this one because the stem is a bit vigorous, but then this one I have to take that off. So because it looks growing vigorously. So, and this one is a bit bigger thing as well, and it's grafted. I think it's grafted. See, it's there. And this one as well is grafted. That is where it's there. Okay guys, so I'm going to plant this in my garden, and now is November. I think it's nice to plant trees in November, in the fall, autumn, because the soil is wet and it makes the roots to grow a bit bigger, deeper in the ground. Okay guys, so I will plant this and I will show you once it's planted. Okay guys, so I dig a hole now. So it's bigger than this pot. So I'm going to put it in now. I have to make sure that this is level on the ground. So I think that is the right one now. Oh, I think I need to okay. No, I already put water, so the soil is a bit wet, and I loosen up the roots as well, like this. So I did it all the way like that, so it loosened up the soil, the roots. And now I think that is the right position. So this one is like go right to left. So when I prune it next year, it will be easy. So if it's this one is on this side, then it's blocking the way. So So that's it, guys. So I'm going to, and then I got some worms, earthworms here, so I'll have to put it here. So this is I try to grow organic fruit. So see, there's several earthworms there already, so that will make the roots grow healthy. So now I have to put back all the soil here. Okay, so 1 minute, guys, so I have to do it first. Okay, guys, so this green gauge, I'm going to plant in here, in this hole. Okay, guys, this is the green gauge. This is the plum green gauge now, planted in the soil. So So next to it is bayberry, and this is raspberries. Yeah. And this calamondin is there's fruit already there, and some more there, fruit coming out, and there. But then I'm going to move it over here in this hole. And then this pomelo. Look at that, guys. Got fruit as well coming out, but I don't know if this will get bigger because now it's autumn. And then another one there. So I'm going to move it in here. So that's it. Or maybe the other way around. I'm going to put it here. And then this calamondin will go in here. I think that's the best. So let's see if it's let's see if the fruit will continue growing. So in there. And this is the calamondin now. I already planted in the ground. There. So let's see if the fruit will get bigger. There's lots of fruit already there. And this is the pomelo. Look at the pomelo thing. The fruit. Look at the pomelo fruit. I hope it will grow bigger. And then there's another one here. A few weeks ago, there's lots of flowers, but they fall down. So now it's all I planted in the ground. And let's see. I will give you an update, guys, in a few weeks. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Tara. Love, love, love.